think it's frozen. Deep boy first put it on, know how I pop out. Bullshit is not important, but I'ma lock out. Don't play with the... Someone come on through my heart like it's frozen.
You ready for video? Yeah. Alright. I don't know anything. What you want me to do?
I don't know.
What you want me to do?
I don't know what to do anymore.
Well, that means I will do everything for Hellcat.
Done it all already.
That's not doing for Lambos now, don't worry. Right. What you guys want to see, man? I don't know what the hell to do. As Dai said, I feel like we've done everything already. Haven't we? Like shit. Traction is off, I know that for sure. We're just gonna go for a drive, man. We got both Hellcats in the back. We got this Hellcat up front. Which probably should even be at the front here. Regular pre-nut. Why dog got flash me? Tired them done. The dog says true, now stay down there, so yeah, hearing it in the dog.
A souvenir, though.
Yo, god damn.
I like tread.
It is thread.
Yes, boy. The tires are pushed to the limit.
No, that's not a wire. I can cut off this part. You have to cut the whole thing also. God damn. Everything.
God damn.
That was gonna cause damage.
So hold on, so that's how Michelin's work. Michelin's tight up, because no other tire never normally do that. Only Michelin's.
Every tire have this thing.
Yeah, but other tires, they just take off chunks. You see what I'm talking about? Yeah. Michelin run off the wire. Damn, boy. Where's the big boss? We use it. Yeah. We use it. Hellcat. Yeah. Changing tires, man. 730. 730 horsepower and 724 torque. Or 726. I don't remember. Monsters at work. Monsters at work, man. Make sure you come down here. You guys can buy tires down here and new and used and install them too. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Says it on the shirt right there. There we go. Alright, good.
Where's Swell?
It's the same thing? Damn. Bomba, that's the same thing. Actually, yeah, that's the type of shit I'm talking about there, boy. Yeah. You did have grip a while ago?
I don't just say that grip. No.
No. Don't worry, no burnouts yet. Traction fully on.
On. Yeah, make it stay on.
You know what I say? Yeah, make it stay on.
You can't take no more smoke in
your lungs. You don't want to kill you as such a young child, you know?
That not go work.
Alright, my boy. Let's see. And hey, I love yours too, dog. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that thing nice, boy. Yeah, those supercharger, goddamn, man. You gotta break off that initial oil. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit.
Fuck you doing, Cole? You set me up for failure.
Alright, me gonna take your failure then. I'll go take the failure. That's a jump. Here, give me the jump, 1 car. Remember, halfway. You go and give me the